It's raining again. It's raining again. It's been a day and a half. It's been a day and a half. And it's raining again. I need at least 2 days, good sunny, warm days for it to dry up enough that I can go somewhere where the places I go for it to dry up so I can go fly. And then 1 day to go fly. So I need a total of 3 days in between rain, 2 good sunny days, and 1 good day to go fly. There hasn't been but a few times this year that chance. This is July 16th, and it's still raining. I don't know what to do anymore. I'm having withdrawals. I need to go fly. I don't know what to do. Anybody got any ideas? Is there a hole up there that needs to be plugged? Maybe I should do an anti-rain dance. I'm half Cherokee. It might work. Maybe. Oh, I can't think of anything else. Maybe I'll try it. Okay, guys. Later.